Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my $60,000 portfolio. I do have money outside of just this account, so it's a little bit over $60,000 actually. It's in retirement accounts in Charles Schwab, but this is basically a $60,000 account that I have on Robinhood, and I'm going to be breaking down what's inside of it and how I got this account at only 18 years old. The stock market has been doing all right this week, but we've had I would say it's pretty stable over the last 3 months. We've had, not like every day, I'm saying just in general over the past 3 months, we've had dips and then good days, and pretty just stable for the last 3 months on my account. But my biggest holdings, I'm going to go over my top 3 biggest holdings and just what I'm buying into right now. So VOO, my Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, is my biggest holding on this account. I think it's around 35% of my portfolio right now. Got about $19,000, literally exactly actually $19,000 sitting inside of this right now. But my investment strategy is dollar cost averaging, so I invest daily, spread across a certain amount. So I invest about $105 a day, and $70 of that goes into this every single weekday that the market's open. So right now I'm just going over what I'm buying consistently, but this is my second biggest daily buy. I buy into 3 ETFs daily. The Schwab US Large Cap Growth ETF, SCHG is the ticker symbol. But I buy $20 of this a day. I recently just switched from QQQM, which is that sort of NASDAQ focused fund, more to this and into this SCHG because I just like this fund better. But I'm buying $20 a day of this out of my 105 invested. And lastly, my third daily buy, my final daily buy, the one and only SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. Now, I use this as more of my stable, not as volatile fund, but I really do like this fund. I think the dividend rate is pretty good for what it is, and it's consistently been growing. And I really do believe in this fund, and I think it's a great thing to buy into. I would say if you're looking more for growth, this is not the thing you're going to want to have as your biggest holding, because this is more of a less volatile fund. But if you're looking closer to retirement, or you're going to need the money in the near future, or you just want to get your money kind of going, this is a pretty low risk, great dividend ETF, and I definitely highly recommend investing in it. Now that we're done with the ETF daily buys, this is not a daily buy, but it is my biggest individual stock holding. I actually even have more in this stock than, this is my second biggest holding on my entire portfolio, but NVIDIA, I'm sure everyone knows this that invests in the stock market, what this is, but the one and only AI sector leader. I bought about $2,500 at $400 something a share. This was obviously before the 10-for-1 split, but now I'm sitting at I'm up 122% with about $7,000, just over $7,000 sitting inside of this. Great stock, love it. I plan to hold for the long term, and yeah, this is my second biggest holding in my whole portfolio, but my biggest individual stock holding. Now, I'm not sure how well this is going to show on camera because I do kind of have a weird corner over here with my screen recording. But here I have all of the things, pretty much my entire account. I do have crypto on top of this, but for my crypto, my biggest holding is ETH, then Bitcoin, and I have some AVAX and a little bit of like some of the smaller altcoins that I just have a little bit of money in. But here are my stocks. I'm pretty heavy on tech. I should diversify this a little bit more. I know that, but I just this is what I did. I haven't sold a lot, so I just kind of held it. Especially, I started when I was 16, so I just kind of bought some random stuff. But a lot of this, pretty much everything has brought me a pretty solid return. But yeah, this is my portfolio at 18 years old, just about 60,000, not including my retirement outside of this, which has another like 4,500 inside of it. But yeah, it's a pretty solid portfolio, I'd say.